Most money-making apps either pay almost nothing or make bold payout claims with no follow-through. Pawns.app sits somewhere in the middle. It's not a scam, but it's not a replacement for a job either. It pays, but the real story isn't the slick homepage, it's how the earning actually works. Pawns.app is a mobile and desktop side income platform with two main earning methods: paid surveys and internet or bandwidth sharing. The main goal of the app is to let you earn extra cash by doing surveys, playing small games, completing offers, and in some versions, letting the app utilize unused internet bandwidth to generate earnings. You download the app, create an account, and then start earning in whatever way makes sense for you. The app claims payouts start from as low as $5, and you can withdraw via PayPal, crypto, gift cards, or other methods depending on what's supported in your region. And if you want to learn why most people never make any real money online and what you can do to be the exception, make sure to grab my guide in the description of this video, The Income Lie. A few short minutes might end up saving you a few long months of trial and error. Go grab it in the description while I'm still giving it away for free. Anyway, using Pawns.app is straightforward. The interface lets you browse surveys, ads, games, and tasks that are meant to earn small rewards. You can also activate bandwidth sharing if that option is available on your device, and the app tracks how much data you've sold to potential clients. Survey tasks are similar to other reward apps. Some work quickly, some disqualify you partway through, and some pay higher amounts if you qualify. Play-to-earn games can also appear, but pay poorly relative to your time. Bandwidth sharing earnings depend heavily on your location, demand, and how much idle bandwidth you have. In user reviews, some people report reaching the payout threshold fairly quickly and cashing out without issues. Others say offers fail to credit, or withdrawals get delayed or reviewed manually. On Apple's App Store, multiple users say payouts really did land in their PayPal accounts, though transfer fees slightly reduce the final amount. This app does pay real money, and many users confirm payouts, but how much you earn varies greatly. Some third-party breakdowns estimate earnings per gigabyte of bandwidth shared around 20 cents, but this fluctuates based on your region and network usage. You're not going to earn full-time income here. Most money comes from low-effort tasks, and surveys only pay when you qualify for them. Bandwidth sharing can be truly passive, but it doesn't guarantee consistent demand, meaning earnings can be tiny unless you have heavy traffic and a strong connection. Also, don't forget to grab your copy of The Income Lie in the description of this video. It will show you how the entire game is rigged against the small player and what you can do to turn that into your advantage. So go grab it in the description and thank me later. Trustpilot and App Store reviews paint a mixed picture. Positive reports include successful payouts and steady survey availability. Negative feedback includes accounts being restricted near a payout request, offers not crediting, slow or manual review processes for withdrawals, and disappointment with low earnings. Pawns.app makes sense for someone who wants occasional extra cash in their free time, or who is comfortable letting a background task run and seeing small earnings accumulate slowly. It's better than doing nothing. And you can get payouts. That part is legit. Most people hear passive income and imagine money rolling in without effort. With Pawns.app, passive work like bandwidth sharing does require zero effort, but it also doesn't guarantee earnings unless there's external demand for your data. The active side, surveys and tasks, pays only when you qualify, and qualification rates vary by location and demographics. That means even if the app works, you might spend a lot of time for very little reward. You're trading time and connection access for very small, unpredictable earnings. And if you want to understand why most people never see consistent results online, don't forget to grab your copy of The Income Lie in the description of this video. Hit that like button if you stayed this far, subscribe for more honest reviews, and leave your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next one.